Today, I'm going to show you 6 different and effective ways on how to completely get rid of your split ends. Stay till the end for all my crazy tips and tricks. Now, you can definitely do this on your own. However, the fastest and most effective way is to get a person you trust for each side section to really help speed up the process. So on the left, we have the ever so confident Matt Dennison, and covering my back, we got the slickest Jason Lucas, and you might recognize them both from their comedy channel IFHT. And lastly, taking care of my right, we got Max, the sweetest, from MAXNOSLEEVES, who also does really fun comedy videos as well. So you want to get them to twist 1-inch sections and start cutting away any visible hairs or split ends that pop up. This method doesn't affect the length, so you don't have to worry about your hair being cut too short or need to go visit a professional. And this is why I love how easy and effective this twisting technique is. You do, however, want to make sure that your scissors are specifically made for hair cutting, or it won't give you that nice clean sharp cut. And now the next method is also an amazing one. Slip a small piece of section through your fingers as so, then slowly start sliding your hand down, and you'll immediately start to see all those little tiny split ends pop up. You only need to cut a couple centimeters off at a time, and it's really that easy and simple. Your hair is definitely going to feel a lot stronger and softer again. Another foolproof method is to simply just cut them all off, literally. And if you're trying to grow out your hair, this option wouldn't be the best choice since you're left with short hair again and possibly end up with a haircut that you don't like. So before you decide to do such a drastic change, try and trim off just about 1/2 inch to 1 inch of your own hair monthly. You'll save a ton of money by doing it on your own, and it's great especially if your ends are looking super rough. It's also very easy to master, and I still use the same hair cutting method as I invented in my very first hair cutting video, which you can watch right here to help refresh your mind. Doing this regularly has definitely kept my hair nice and long since I am the one in control of how much gets cut off, and I've also noticed it a lot healthier looking as well. Now the last technique is pretty much made for anyone who is scared of scissors. This tool gets rid of your split ends with ease, also without having any of your lengths cut off, so it's pretty amazing, I'm not gonna lie about that. And it sort of works the same as the second method I figured out for you guys, but this one just does it automatically. So either method works, it really depends on what you want to use. Also, a few extra tips when cutting your hair is to make sure that your hair is dry and straightened. This will make all your split ends more visible and easier for them to pop up, especially when you're performing any of the split end removal methods. Don't forget to subscribe to see what unique content I have coming out next, and always come back for more.